What's going on? JakeOfALL here, and I got another two-minute tool review. That's right. This one, the Klein 7-in-1. It's a flip socket. These are pretty cool because they're basically nut drivers and a screwdriver. And since I probably will have extra time, because you know I don't talk too much, if this video gets 1,000 likes, somebody's gonna win this right here. That's right. Comment below. Make sure you follow me. Give this video a like. And the more likes we get, the closer we get to 1,000, all that good stuff, right? Get 1,000 of them, and I'm going to give it to one of you who comments. So that's all you got to do. Follow me. Boom. All right, let's get on to the tool. Let's get this thing open. Okay. What you're going to get, right? Flip sockets. How this works is there is a driver shaft. Yes, I said shaft. Goes in, okay? Each one of these is two different sizes. So as you can see, that's that size. You flip it over, and that is that size. And it's pretty simple, but I'm gonna just use the packaging and show you. You're gonna have 1/4, 5/16. You're gonna have 11/32 and 3/8. And then you're gonna have 7/16 and 1/2 inch. Boom, right? All of them right there. And if you use one of the 3D printed holders, squeeze this, right? You could load this thing up with all of your bits, right? Let's do this. Let's load it up. Load it up. Load it up. And put that in your normal Bitbins or whatever. Definitely an easy way to carry 6 different sizes, and you obviously have a screwdriver to operate it with. We are over 2 minutes, but that's okay. That's okay, only a few, right? So there you could go, you could use it like that, or you can use it pull each individual one off, put it on. Pretty sweet, pretty simple, nice little setup. All right, as I said before, we can win something, but this one, I want to give you the number. It is a 32900 from Klein. And if this video gets enough likes, 1,000, and make sure you comment and follow me, that way I can pick somebody, you'll win this set right here. Not this one, but this one. So thanks for watching. I'm the JakeOfALL, and this has been a 2 minute and 55, 56, 57, 58. I gotta shut up and get out of here. Tool review. See ya.